Alright, so on today's episode, Homebrew Live channel, doing some more little, let's see, more small gallon experimental kind of brews, I guess. So we're going to be making a ginger apple cider. Yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's going to be super simple. I don't really know how this is going to turn out, but I mean, might as well. Got some more time. So what we're doing, got some more Acadia organic apple juice. Got a gallon here and a gallon here. And then going to be adding a bottle of the Fever Tree ginger beer to it. I've kind of like gotten most of the carbonation out, just kind of like by shaking it. And then, mix all that together. And for the yeast we're doing the White Labs Production 775, which is the English cider yeast, which is this one. Just been using one packet of it. And actually I don't have it right now, but probably gonna add like a teaspoon of a yeast nutrients as well. So I got my little fermenter all sanitized. So let's get this going. So, like I said, found it. Alright, so we're doing 1 teaspoon of the Brewcraft yeast nutrient. I'm gonna add that first. Nobody saw that. Add that. Next, I'm gonna add a gallon of the Acadia apple juice. Give it kind of a little like shake in the bottle, just to get everything that's kind of settled in the juice. Add this in. That's also aerating it as well, which will help the yeast. That works too. Alright, 1 bottle down. Second bottle, or second gallon. Like I said, this is just a small batch. Pretty quick and easy way to get the juice out. Also, a fun little fact, you can ferment in these if you wanted to. Just pour a little bit out and then add some yeast and voila, you can ferment. And also, I'm going to be adding the Fever Tree ginger beer. Give that a little shake. It's like just open, so it's still brand new. I'm gonna add this in. Alright, sanitized scissors. Like I said, we're doing the WLP 775 English cider yeast. I'm adding the full pouch into this. Yes, there we go. Put the lid back on. Voila, that was it. So, pretty simple. But then again, making hard cider is pretty simple to begin with. So, probably be doing a little bit more of small batches. Or maybe here in a couple weeks be making a pineapple saison. I don't know. All depends what I want to do and what's you know, we got more fruit coming up, or more fruited stuff coming up, just because it's summertime, or yeah, it is summertime, and all the fruit trees are, you know, they have fruit on them and all that. So I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, that was super simple to do, and two gallons, if it goes bad, oh well. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Like I said, super short video, super simple to do. Hope you liked it. I'll be doing more videos, or trying to do more videos. Yeah, so like and subscribe to the Modern Brew Life channel. I'll be trying to get more content out here since it's summertime, more time for brewing. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.